ଖ୍ରୀଷ୍ଟରେ ପ୍ରିୟ ଭାଇ ଏବଂ ଭଉଣୀମାନଙ୍କୁ ପ୍ରଭୁ ଯୀଶୁଖ୍ରୀଷ୍ଟଙ୍କ ନାମରେ ମୋର ଆନ୍ତରିକ ନମସ୍କାର। ପ୍ରିୟ ଭାଇ ଏବଂ ଭଉଣୀମାନେ, ଆଜିର ଭିଡ଼ିଓରେ ମୁଁ ଅଧିକ କିଛି କହିବି ନାହିଁ, କାରଣ 2 ଦିନ ହେଲାଣି ଆପଣମାନେ ଇସ୍ରାଏଲ ଜଳୁଥିବାର ଭିଡ଼ିଓ ଆପଣ ଦେଖି ଆସିଛନ୍ତି। ଏବଂ ଆଜିର ଭିଡ଼ିଓ ମୁଁ ଯେଉଁ ନେଇକି ଆସିଅଛି ଇଏ ହେଉଛି ଆଉ ଏକ ଭିଡ଼ିଓ, ସେମ୍ ଭିଡ଼ିଓ ନୁହେଁ, ଅନ୍ୟ ଏକ ଭିଡ଼ିଓ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ସାମ୍ନାକୁ ଆସିଛି। ଆଉ ଯେଉଁଥିରେ ବି ଆପଣ ଦେଖିପାରିବେ ଯେ ଇସ୍ରାଏଲ ଦେଶ କିଭଳି ଭାବରେ ଜଳୁଛି, ଆଉ ସେଠି କ'ଣ କ'ଣ ସବୁ କାର୍ଯ୍ୟକ୍ରମ କରାହେଉଛି ଲୋକମାନଙ୍କୁ ବଞ୍ଚାଇବା ନିମନ୍ତେ। ତେବେ ପ୍ରିୟ ବନ୍ଧୁଗଣ, ବିଗତ ଭିଡ଼ିଓ ମାନଙ୍କରେ ମୁଁ କହିସାରିଅଛି ଯେ କାହିଁକି ନିଆଁ ଲାଗିଲା, ଜଣେ ମାନେ ଏକ ଖ୍ରୀଷ୍ଟିଆନ ଦେଶ ହେଇକି ମଧ୍ୟ ଇସ୍ରାଏଲ ଦେଶ କାହିଁକି ଜଳୁଛି, ଏହି ବିଷୟ ଅଲରେଡ଼ି ମୁଁ ଭିଡ଼ିଓ ବନାଇ ସାରିଛି। କିନ୍ତୁ ଆଜିର ଭିଡ଼ିଓରେ କେବଳ ଆପଣ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ କେଉଁଠାରେ କିଭଳି ଭାବରେ ଜାଗା ଗୁଡ଼ିକ ଜଳୁଅଛି। ଚାଲନ୍ତୁ ଦେଖିବା।
האש משתנה, תיזהרו.
משאית עלה באש, כביש מספר 1.
האש משתנה, תיזהרו.
All'altro nirmad.
vamos a شلون عوده
فكروها مسخرة. هلا طلع ولع الشارع كله. ابعد
תעשי וידאו. אני נוסע, תעשי וידאו.
יש וידאו, תעוף.
תראי מה זה, על הכביש.
אם אתה לא טס מהר אני הורגת אותך.
אנחנו בתוך האש.
אז למה נותנים לאנשים? מה יעשו? מתפוצצו. מה זה? שיעצרו אותם שמה, הנה. יו, גם יש פה.
הנה, אותם עצרו, זהו.
אם יש גם אש. הם לא צריכים לברוח מהמכוניות.
וואו, צריכים לצאת מהמכוניות.
עוף מפה.
אני עף. אני לא מטוס.
אתה כן, אתה תעשו.
אימא'לה, בוא נגיד תפילת שוקר, תגידי.
טיסה.
תעשי
לא,
וידאו.
תסתמך.
אני נוסע, תעשי וידאו.
יש וידאו, תעוף.
תראי מה זה, על הכביש.
אם אתה לא טס מהר אני הולכת אותך.
אנחנו בתוך האש.
לא. אז למה נותנים לאנשים? מה יעשו? הם יתפוצצו. מה זה? שיעצרו אותם שמה, הנה. יו, גם יש פה.
הנה, אותם עצרו, זהו, נהל אותו לא נותנים.
יש גם אש. הם לא צריכים לברוח מהמכוניות.
וואו, צריכים לצאת מהמכוניות.
יהודה, רוף מפה.
אני עף. אני לא מטוס.
אתה כן, אתה טס.
Several countries were sending firefighting aircraft to Israel on Thursday as crews battled for a second day to extinguish a wildfire that had shut down a major highway linking Tel Aviv and Jerusalem and sent drivers scrambling from their cars. According to Associated Press, the fire broke out around midday on Wednesday, fueled by hot, dry conditions and fanned by strong winds that quickly whipped up the flames burning through a pine forest. Several communities were evacuated as a precaution as the smoke turned the skies over Jerusalem gray. Israel's fire and rescue services warned the public to stay away from parks or forests, and to be exceptionally careful while lighting barbecues. Thursday is Israel's Independence Day, which is typically marked with large family cookouts in parks and forests. At least 12 people were treated in hospitals on Wednesday, mainly due to smoke inhalation, while another 10 people were treated in the field, Megan David Adam Ambulance Services said. Italy, Croatia, Spain, France and Romania were sending planes to help battle the flames, while several other countries, including North Macedonia and Cyprus, were also sending water-dropping aircraft. Israeli authorities said 10 firefighting planes were operating on Thursday morning, with another 8 aircraft to arrive during the course of the day. The main highway linking Jerusalem to Tel Aviv was opened again on Thursday, a day after the flames had encroached on the road, forcing drivers to abandon their cars and flee in terror. On Thursday morning, broad swathes of burned areas were visible from the highway, while pink anti-flame retardant dusted the top of burned trees and bushes. Smoke and the smell of fire hung heavy in the air. In 2010, a massive forest fire burned for 4 days on northern Israel's Mount Carmel, claiming 44 lives and destroying around 12,000 acres, much of it woodland.
בעוד 3.2 קילומטרים. פנה שמאלה.
كل شيء الاوتوبيس يعني تاخدوه طلع Dale.